Hello, this is Ted Lee from Taiwan. I want to share a module called Beat It to all of you. This module shows a practical route for programming from MakeCode to Python. Let's see how it works in details now. The outline is here for your reference. Teaching aids. This is our teaching goal to write a program to show 4 triangles in 4 directions sequentially. We designed a demo board, 4 record tables, a web page, a cheat sheet to achieve our teaching setting. Activity 1, Chinese 1. First, we guide students to understand microbeats coordinate. Then, they can learn to plot a Chinese word 1 on simulator. Activity 2, lower left triangle. Moreover, we use an observation table to find out the problem regularity. Then, a flow chart which scanning from left to right and from up to down like a Chinese word, 之 writing order. Finally, we give every student a snippet to write down the entire code. Activity 3, all triangles. One more step, we encourage students to challenge and advance 3 triangles. Activity 4, bringing together. In the long run, they can let all these triangles 3 times in order. Teaching clips. The following slides are our teaching photos. 1 angle, 2 angle, triangle. Oh, an excellent cheat sheet. Oh, watch out, Teddy's demo board on his hand. Oh, I am the first one. Teacher. See my Chinese kung fu. Oh my God. It is my twisting. My nose is stuffing. Hey. I beat it. I beat it too. I found something interesting. It is all blocks are here. Activity 4. In the end, we can smoothly apply this technique to the first Python program. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. Bye bye.